योर peer group might be a scam and you aren't even aware of it. Let me explain. देखो, पहली बात, जितने भी दोस्त तुम्हें मिले होंगे ना, they would have come to you just because they don't want to feel lonely. ठीक है, पहली बात ये. दूसरी बात ये, most of them don't even want to genuinely connect with you. You know why I'm saying that? Is because discussions ना हमेशा दोस्तों के बीच में सिर्फ jokes तक रह जाता है, and जिसमें उन सबको मजा आ रहा होता है, and some few topics जिसमें everyone is comfortable with. Okay, and the moment if someone comes who has a lot of depth in a particular topic and something which is very genuinely dear to their heart, some philosophical topic or something, भाई इन लोगों का दिमाग बंद हो जाना है. Most of the लोगों का, ठीक है, they would be like, this is not we are interested in, man, just go away. They don't want to listen. भाई क्यों? क्योंकि most of the लोगों के लिए their conversations are revolving around themselves. मतलब validation, उनको praise और validation मिलना चाहिए, and they should be feeling heard. मतलब अपना point रखा and they will, everyone is like, wow, you're logical. They don't want to see someone contradicting. Lot of them, some people are okay with contradictions. I wouldn't say इतना बुरा हाल है दुनिया का, but हाँ, genuine expression is something which is lagging very much. That's why you will see in peer group, अगर कोई बंदा ना ऊपर चला जाए या नीचे चला जाए, वो रिजेक्ट हो जाता है. सेम ही रहना पड़ेगा. क्यों? The moment someone becomes better, they are more secure with themselves. भाई मेरे से ज्यादा सिक्योर कैसे हुआ? तू गेट आउट हो जा. And someone who is below them, उसको तो वैल्यू नहीं करना क्योंकि खुद इनसिक्योर है. भाई उसको कैसे? And it all comes because they don't want to genuinely experience the other person. They don't want to connect. And it all comes from the childhood conditioning. ठीक है, अब पेरेंट्स कैसे होते हैं भाई? पेरेंट्स, आधे पेरेंट्स तो ऐसे है कि उनको जबरदस्ती बच्चा पैदा कराया जाता है. ठीक है, उनका मन भी नहीं था, सिचुएशन ऐसी बन गई कि कर रहे हैं बच्चे. Then they would project all their desires onto their kids and expect them to fulfill it. Then only they are valued. यहाँ पे भी इन लोगों का कनेक्शन बन ही नहीं रहा है भाई. They aren't experiencing the other person. Parents are also not experiencing their kids. मतलब their emotions, everything about them, they are not experiencing genuinely. उनका result focused हो चुका है भाई. Then only they are valued. यहाँ पर they learn the first thing of not connecting with people genuinely, and then such kids go to school. वहाँ पे भी they are just competing. The environment is just made like that कि your value and your worth is just dependent on your class rank and your marks. Teachers also promote this. Teachers also value the toppers. Slightly, everyone is just competing. That's what we have been trained since childhood to not connect. And अब ऐसा बच्चा जब बड़ा होके दोस्त बनाएगा तो ऐसे ही तो बनाएगा. They will not connect. They will just go in because they don't want to feel lonely. And then in that particular peer group, they are just performing. Conversations, goals and everything revolve around validation. I should be better. I should fit in. I should be valued. कोई भी genuinely दूसरे इंसान को सुनना ही नहीं चाहता, ना ही समझना चाहता है. और अगर if you would have been taught to actually just be present and to understand people and to just express rather than a need for validation, need to be approved. भाई peer group में ऐसे ही बन रहे होते हैं, पता है, जहाँ पे 5-6 लोग हैं और 5-6 लोग बहुत डिफरेंट है एक दूसरे से, and they are just coming together just to learn, just to experience each other. That would have been the situation if all of us would have just been taught how to be ourselves and to just let out what is inside of us. But we have never been taught that. Never, ever. That's why peer groups are just like that, and that's why you will see everyone in a particular group would just be same. Goals are also similar. Habits are also similar. They are not just going in just to have friends, but to just fit in. तुम्हें पता भी नहीं होगा तुम्हारे peer group की वजह से you are just shrinking yourself, your whole entire persona, and you are completely unaware of it. तुमने अपना अंदर का जो self है ना, you haven't ever a lot of people have never let it out. जिन लोगों को मैं जानती हूँ know how to genuinely express thoughts, something which comes from deep within, भाई उन लोगों को दोस्त बनाने में हमेशा दिक्कत होगी. Because the moment you enter peer group, it's just still हु हा बढ़िया जो क्या मस्त मजा आ गया. बहुत ही रेयर कोई peer group होगा जहाँ पे genuinely people open up and connect very deeply.